In the never-ending war against colds, allergies, and sniffles of all kinds, you have a powerful ally. Soft, strong Scotty's facial tissues. The first word in sneezes.